Okay, deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. You okay?
Yeah.
Almost done. Worst parts of it. Do it again.
Just get
I'm
the
going to
push it through so you can get the cramp off.
Yep. There's no way to. There we go. How do you feel? Weird.
Could be worse.
Yep. Could be much worse.
And you're pierced.